First, I am practicing head voice. My pitch is very high. I notice the vibration, the feeling happening in my head. Mostly next, I move the vibration to my nose. I feel the vibration in my nose. Of course, this is sound a little strange. For throat vibration, I drop my pitch to the middle level. I relax my throat and let it vibrate. I put my finger on my throat to feel the vibration. I feel the vibration mostly strongly in my neck and throat. Finally, I drop my pitch even more. I speak with a low voice as I push to the vibration, down, down, down into my chest. I still feel some vibration in my throat, but now my chest is also vibrating. My voice sounds deep and strong when I use chest vibration. As I practice, I easily move sound vibration and down my body. I am now ready to master the specific sound of English.